In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first Calendly account. Calendly is a simple tool that helps you schedule meetings without all the back and forth emails. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your very first account set up and ready to use. Let's start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type Calendly and hit enter. You should see Calendly appear as one of the top search results. Go ahead and click on the official Calendly website. This will take you to their homepage or directly to the sign up page. Once you're on the Calendly sign-up page, you'll see a few different options for creating an account. The quickest and easiest way is to use your Google account. Look for the button that says Continue with Google and click on it. After you click that button, a Google sign-in window will appear. If you're already logged into your Google account in your browser, you may just need to select which Google account you want to use. If you're not logged in yet, you'll be asked to enter your email and password. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the Google account you actually want linked to, Calendly, ideally the one you use for work or for most of your scheduling. Once you've selected your account and confirmed access, Calendly will begin creating your profile. From here, you simply need to follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts might include confirming your name, setting a time zone, and possibly answering a few basic questions about how you plan to use Calendly, such as whether it's for personal use, business, or a team. Move through each screen carefully and don't rush. If Calendly asks for permissions, such as connecting to your calendar, it's usually to help it automatically check your availability and prevent double bookings. You can review these permissions and allow access if you're comfortable. This connection is what lets Calendly know when you're free or busy. As you go through the setup, keep an eye out for any options to customize your link or username. This is the link you'll eventually share with others to book time with you. So it's worth choosing something simple and professional. Once you've finished all the prompts, your Calendly account will be created and you'll land on your dashboard, ready to start setting up events and sharing your scheduling link.